Good morning, everyone. I am Shelza Mota, and today's our learning topic is non-finite verbs. Now, what is the difference between the finite verbs and the non-finite verbs? We will study about that, but first of all, we get to know that non-finite verbs are of three types. They are infinitives, gerunds, and participle. In this video, we will study about the infinitives verbs. Now, first of all, what is the finite verbs? Finite verbs are those verbs that have a definite relation with a subject or a noun. These verbs are usually the main verbs of a clause or a sentence. For example, she walks home. So, this verb we change as per the tenses, as per the subject, but non finite verbs are not so. Non finite verbs are the verbs which are not limited by number, person, and time. Now, as we see that these verbs cannot be the main verbs of a clause or a sentence, but they do not talk about the action that is being performed by the subject or noun. They are used as noun, adverb, and adjective. For example, he loves camping in the woods. So, camping is in process, not a verb. Let's study more in detail. So, as I have told you, in this video we will study about the infinitives. Infinitives are what? They are not the main verbs in the sentence. It doesn't change as per the tense, number, or person. And its rule is 2 plus V1. V1 means verb base form. For example, to run. Now, as we go further, infinitives, how they use? It is not used as a verb, rather, it is used as a noun, adjective, and adverb. Now, let's see infinitives used as a noun, like Sia likes to play. Here, Sia likes to play is telling about the noun, about the object. I want to write, to write. To dance is her hobby. To dance is again the main noun of the sentence. Infinitives used as adjectives. I have no time. No time for what purpose? To eat. That was a game. Which game? To watch. I told you to wait. So, all these are defining the adjectives in the sentence. Now, infinitives used as an adverb. She reads to gain knowledge. Now, it is telling the purpose. She reads for what purpose? To gain knowledge. Her voice is pleasant. For what purpose? To hear. The new soldiers were ready to listen and obey. All these are defining the adverbs. Now, as I told you, infinitives are of two types. One is the 2 plus V1 and the other one is known as bare infinitive. Here in bare infinitive, we don't use the TO word. Okay, and wherever we use the TO word, we use the verb base form. Now, let's see the bare infinitives. Like she made me cry. Here I haven't used the to word. I heard him sing a lovely song. So, sing is coming as a bare infinitive. That's all about this video. Hope you have understood the infinitives. In the next video, I will be discussing about the participles and the gerunds. Thank you very much.